Hey guys, AFT Plumbing here, and today this is a requested video by UTRPlumbing, and shout out to UTRPlumbing because I wanted to do another video like this, and plus you wanted to see this on hose pressure. So yeah, this actually is pretty cool actually to watch. I mean, even though it flushes just like a tank toilet, just would it be on tank, it's just actually pretty cool. It actually swirls, but I don't have any bricks. I just had to dig a little hole so they'll drain out a little properly. But yeah, I do have bricks, but they're on my toilet stand right now. So yep, here's the flush, and it's pretty actually. This is pretty cool actually. So here we go. Off. And yeah, of course I wasn't even surprised this siphoned, because you know it's open rim, and it's actually kind of cool like this. I just did this for fun. No, I didn't really do it for fun. I was too lazy to get bricks, but because this was gonna get up and like bend over, and it would be really hard to patch that. So yeah, here's a weak flush. Really nothing to see behind that, and it won't siphon, of course. But here's a little mid flush. It's a little mid pressure flush. There's the full, almost the full pressure right there. You can see it kind of swirls from that edge. It's kind of cool. But yeah, and there it siphons out. And I just do one more flush, but it's just like this angle. So yeah, that was actually pretty cool. And also, shout out to UTRPlumbing once again. His channel link will be in the description, so subscribe to him. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below as always, and see you in the next video.